Alex with DSC Excavation. We're here in Thornton, Colorado with Susan, the homeowner. We installed the fence. We've had to work in amongst Mother Nature again. I asked all the clients out there, please be patient. We're doing the best we can with this nonsense with Mother Nature, and we work outside. Susan, what do you think of the lovely fence we built for you?
Amazing, truly amazing. Done in a lot quicker time than I expected. Job went smoothly. Your assistant is amazing. So yes, I am recommending you guys anytime, and if I have something I need a project on, you'll be the first.
And Susan, I wanted to ask you, we had the ditch witch and we get a lot of questions. Did it tear up the grass too bad? I told you it was going to push it down a little bit.
Yeah, no, not at all. I mean, my grass is sad to begin with, but no damage. It'll pop back up.
As you can see, DSC added again, and we've got this lovely fence all the way around. Al's going to take a walk through and show you what we got going.